Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a GMC Yukon headlight. To begin, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. It's crucial to have the correct replacement headlight assembly for your specific Yukon model on hand. Always start by parking your vehicle on a level surface and ensuring the engine is completely off for safety before you proceed. Now, open the hood of your GMC Yukon and locate the headlight assembly you need to replace. You'll typically find a few retaining clips or bolts holding it in place. Carefully remove these. Once the assembly is loose, gently pull it forward and disconnect the electrical connectors from the back of the old headlight. Be mindful not to damage any wiring during this step. With the old headlight removed, it's time to install the new one. First, connect the electrical harness to your new headlight assembly, ensuring a secure fit. Then, carefully position the new headlight into its mounting location, aligning all the tabs and slots. Finally, reinstall the bolts and retaining clips you removed earlier to firmly secure the assembly in place. After installation, turn on your Yukon and test the new headlight's high and low beams to ensure they function correctly. If needed, adjust the headlight aim for optimal visibility and to avoid blinding oncoming drivers. This usually involves turning adjustment screws. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your GMC Yukon headlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.